it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have finally a chance to open my package from Sheba's Finds. We were partnered up for BeautyBossPlanner's Valentine's 2020 swap for the loaded bag, and I can't wait to show you and see for myself what she sent me. Before I get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. If you guys are new to my channel, or you may have missed seeing the video where I shared the loaded bag I created and stuffed on up with a bunch of goodies, I'll link that down below, as well as Sheba's Finds channel, because it is amazing and she is a really great supporter on YouTube, and I know you won't be disappointed. So let's open up this giant box. So yes, this box is gigantic, and I'm just zooming up just to show you guys the cute way she decorated with the heart washi and some cute little foam little stickers here, but of course the messy, way it travels, it got a little messed up, so that's all right. And now I'm gonna open this up for you all. Yeah, so life has been busy, guys, and I've had this package and I haven't had a chance to open it on camera, and that's how I like to do it. So finally, I'm excited to get the chance and find a few moments in the day where I could actually get this package opened. Oh my God, guys. Do you see how she packed this bag? It is stuffed. It is so cute. I really got to step my packaging up. I know I say this all the time, but I have to. It is so adorable. So the first thing I'm seeing is this cute reusable bag from the Dollar Tree, obviously. And this is so cute. And in New York, we always need our reusable green bags because it costs 5 cents to buy a plastic bag. So you guys can see here, she put these cute little balls as decorations, and there are Hershey Kisses inside. I love Hershey Kisses, I love chocolate. And now I'm gonna start showing you what's in here. Guys, I don't want you to miss seeing she put in this great little paper filler and a really, really cute tissue paper, which I will be completely reusing. And here is her loaded bag. So this is what we're gonna start off with. How absolutely adorable is this bag, guys? I love it. She put this really cute tassel trim. She made me a tassel, and I have this same yarn. This is from the Dollar Tree, and it's adorable the way she decorated it up, and a little heart over here. Super duper cute, guys. You can see that. And let's check on out this bag. She made me this cute tulle paper clip. Absolutely love it. And she put the bling on the front and the back. That is so cute. Here's a little 75 scented stickers, it says. Oh, they're cute little Valentine stickers. This is so great for my planner, and a little pen. So that's cute there. She made me, adorable little flag type of banner. And these are the same little balls that I recently got from BB Crafts and did some things with. And I haven't made myself anything with it. I've given them away. So thank you for this. I love that. This is adorable, this little bow here that she has right on top of the outside of the bag. And it's always hard for me to part with taking anything apart that people create, so I don't know if I'll use it, we'll see. And she gave me this cute little hearted up little popsicle stick, and I love how she created that. Also in here is a little wand of cute little pastel-y iridescent sequins, and I love how she put it in this. I guess this might have been for bubbles, I'm not quite sure, but I love that idea. And now in here, she gifted me some hearted straws, and those are really great to make wands with. This already kind of fell out. This is a giant rose lollipop, and it's made of all little hearts to look like a rose. Super cute, probably super yummy. She gave me this macaroon lip balm, and I love it. I love lip balm, so I definitely need this, and I like how it has a big area for you to be able to like get the stuff out and put on, and that's by LA Colors. Also, she gifted some of these really cute sequined hearts. How cute, love those, and she made a really pretty bag topper with the crepe paper type of rosette, and this foam heart in the middle. She made another rosette, and it has like a little shaker sticker with the XOXO. Love that. And her bag topper. Another rosette, and these are so cute. I never really made a crepe paper rosette, guys, and she made such beautiful ones. Love it. Over here, she made these, I guess they're like the ATC trading coins, but in a flowery background type of deal. Sweet hugs, XOXO, and you're sweet. So those are really cute. Next year, I'm gonna have so many goodies to do Valentine's crafts. All these little extra hearts she gave me. She made me some decorated hearts here, guys. Look how adorable they are with the mini little tulle bows. Adorable. And she put a sentiment on each one. She made me some heart crepe paper rosettes, guys. Really, really cute. And she topped the middle off with those stickers from the Target, I think. Or are they Dollar Tree? I'm not quite sure. But I have the same ones, and I'm almost done with them. And I love how it looks on these rosettes. In this little package, she made these cute cupcakes, guys. Look how she made these cupcakes and layered it with a little letter. Oh my God, these are adorable. Adorable. This is a heart wand, and then she gave me these cute little, felted roses. I don't know if she made these, guys. Ooh, look at this bow too. Look at that. I gotta open this up because it looks so awesome. And this is stuck down here, or I would have tried to not completely mess up this paper, but she used some strong adhesive on this. So I think the only thing I'm gonna be saving is that bow and maybe the trim. All right. It opens down here. Of course it does, Eileen. Sorry, Sheba, I messed that all up. So look at these. These are like stickers. I don't know if she made these. You're gonna have to let me know, because I absolutely love these. They are cute. You could make these, or you could buy them. I don't know. So let me know, Sheba. Thank you. I love these roses. Beautiful. All right, I had to clear some of that out the way. Now I am showing you guys this another crepe papered multi-layered rosette wand with the shaker sticker in the middle. The back looks like that. And then she gifted me some of these like resin type of roses, and 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 of them. And she topped it off with this cute love bag topper. And that is not it, guys. This is the rest of what was in the box, guys. So right here, it looks like she made this card for me. And it says, "You're my fave." And it looks really, really cute. I just want to get it out the bag so I could get a closer look for you all. How pretty, guys. She did these layers here, and the ribbon, and the flat back pearl. And she sent me a really nice card here, and I'm going to read that after, so I'm gonna put that aside. And over here, we're gonna see what's in this box. I don't know if she made this. I don't know. It says J'adore, not really certain. And inside the box, guys, there's some markers and some ribbons here, little bows rather, and it says Be Mine Bath Bomb. So this is gonna be great. Valentine's is in a few days, so I'll definitely be using that. Over here, she made me a really cute clothespin clip with the resin rosettes that she gave me. And then she put something in this cute little bag here, guys. Oh my gosh, page markers. I love these. These are like little sticky notes you could add. And I've seen these at the Dollar Tree, but I just never bought them. So I'm super psyched to have them because they're all cats. And if you guys know me, I love cats and have 4 of them. And a bunch that come around outdoors for food. So over here we got extra classic bubble gum. And then this tin, it says, Be My Valentine. And I'm not sure what's in it yet. Oh, it's a candle. Another perfect thing for a Friday. Very nice. I wonder if it smells. It says it's a soy candle. And it does smell like vanilla or something like vanilla. And it smells really, really good. She also put this little box. I'm assuming that she die cut this out and put it together. This is so cute, guys. Look at these details. And there's some more Hershey Kisses inside. There's also this little pouch. It says XOXO, as you guys see, and I love this color. And inside, we got socks. Who doesn't love some socks? And it has little macaroons on it, so definitely great. And one of these little fortune cookie things they had at the Dollar Tree, these fortunes. So inside you could pull your fortune. I guess it pulls, yep. Or you could stuff your own in there. And this says, a dream you have will come true. So let's hope all of our dreams come true. Wouldn't that be nice? And what else in here? There are these heart. It is a heart sequins key fob. So that's cute, adorable. And some earrings, the diamond ones, the faux diamond obviously from the Dollar Tree. They had these earrings out lately. I've seen lots of people haul them, but I don't have them. So thank you for those. And then she has this wrapped up in this really pretty gold foiled tissue paper with the hearts. And I try not to ruin things, guys, but I'm not the most delicate. I try. I do. I think I could still use this. Definitely. Actually, you can even Mod Podge this on something. Maybe I'll try that. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my gosh, guys. She made a little mini album, and it has a tassel, and it is a shaker. She did really nice work on the front cover, guys. She has another one of these pretty bows, this gold heart die cut with one of these sparkly ones, and the paper here with a bow and the trim, super cute, looks like tickets, heart lollipop, love it. And you open it up, and it's an envelope type of little traveler's notebook styled flip book. I love it. Absolutely love it. I knocked off her tassel. No biggie. I will fix that. And here is the first envelope, and she sealed these with Velcro. And inside here, ooh, look at these iridescent bows. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm going to put it back in after. In this one, look how she decorated, guys. Super cute. Again, with the Velcro. What a good idea. And she created these gorgeous, gorgeous rosettes. Look at how pretty these are. Oh my God, I have to turn it around. And they're heart-shaped at the top and all around. So pretty. And look at this paper in the inside of her envelope. Lovely. And you could reuse these because, like I said, these are like just in here with some, what do you call this? The baker's twine. So you could easily just take that out and you could reuse these envelopes. Although I like to hoard them because they're gorgeous. She decorated this one with these white fabric hearts, a doily, sweet here, this heart. And inside here, she has these really cute little shakery type of embellishments. Hugs and kisses, beautiful love, and these are adorable, so super cute. And in the back, she was generous enough to gift some of the sequins that she put into the shaker, and she made a little pocket. And these are so pretty. They have hearts, mini hearts, medium hearts, large hearts, and she tops it off with the cute little red bow. Oh my God, I absolutely love this. It is so adorable. You could make a planner out of this. Really, really cute. Could totally be a dashboard. And then it's not over, guys. She made me a little bag of goodies here, and she put a little piece of sequins with this adorable little heart. She jazzed up this bag she made with the fabric white hearts and all of this here. And inside there are goodies. Yes, there are. Some of these hearts she put on her decorations. These are the red ones. Some gold ones. Oh my God, I'm dying. I don't have a lot of supplies, guys. Thank you so much for all this stuff. Some buttons here. And all of these cute little felted type of foamy, rather, hearts. And last but not least in here is something. Oh, she made an altered canvas and she made it so super girly and so super cute. Look at the details between the trim and the pearls, and I love it. This is so pretty, and I'm gonna find a place for this immediately. Alright guys, that's it for today. That was my package from Sheba, and I absolutely love it. Super generous, so much fun. I am really thankful, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I hope you guys give this a great big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.